And the way you put it run the country, Charlie. They pay me say man no grow self man. We man won't also help the country because right now people they make the thing they look like if you get opportunity where you get your chance where you can't get power, you can take any decision you want.
Ebusiama akwa baba channel so. That's a say work like a link in our video. Watch channel so the anonymous say entertainment news and a bro. Be about a Ghanaian celebrities no. I form honor the bro now so who the echo. Message was sending the first time I watch channel so I best subscribe and no I hit notification bell no. Say the new update be a bounce on Sabeka. Now when Funia a Shatta Wale na Nkansah be a fight or mine home. Or chess never be cause woman and any engine home. Intimate sell me bebre no mesro say ubeti nsema okan no. Me da ase bebre.
And the way you put it run the country, Charlie. They pay me say man no grow self man. We man won't also help the country because right now people they make the thing they look like if you get opportunity where you get your chance where you can't get power, you can take any decision you want. Everybody talk about E-levy. Everybody talk about E-levy. Yes, it's nice. You understand? It's nice. It's good. You people want to make the system look, like that. But bad man, create measures. Create things for the citizens not to complain. So when they do this, they go and say, oh, we all the build up. Don't work like the country be your own. Work with us. Think about human beings. Think about human beings. Why would they see when I want people like animal? The face your brother is as the animal, you no get sense, you know take decision. Why? They just bring it to the people, and you hear the people complain, and we don't pay attention to the people, and these are the same people that put their thumbs on the paper to vote for presidents. Hey. It's sad, though. It's sad. It's sad. It's very, very sad. But I just want to tell Ghanaians something. Start. Holding yourself as a Ghanaian. And just keep singing that song. Arise, Ghana youth, for your country. Arise, Ghana youth, for your country. It's bad. It's bad that certain decisions are being taken in. We don't take it serious. It's very bad. It's very, very bad. If we don't make serious for this country, see, we go tire.